Start by removing the screws that secure the door hinge cover to the fridge. Remove the hinge cover and disconnect the sensor harness. Now that we have access to the door hinge screws, remove those as well. Lift upwards on the door so that it slides off the middle hinge assembly. Place the new door onto the middle hinge and line up the screw holes at the top of the fridge with the holes on the upper hinge. Reinstall the screws. Reconnect the sensor harness. Reinstall the protective cap and screws as well.